I believe we have, I think, 2 more birthday messages. 2 more. I just need to make sure that, there you go. This one.
Hello? Hello? Moshi moshi? Moshi moshi? Can you all hear me? Hello? Anyone? Huh? No? You can't hear me? Alright, I'm out.
What the?
Hey chat, I know you can hear me. It's just a joke. And you can all stop spamming your LOLs now. This is fake cat girl Restia speaking. And I'm here to celebrate our favorite dragon, Selen Tatsuki's birthday. Happy birthday, Selen! Okay, we're done now. Alright, I stopped trolling. When I first saw Selen, I was like, oh my god, this dragon can speak on forever. Literally, Selen's stream is like 90% talking, 50% laughing, and 80% trolling with 10% of Cajun spice. Huh? You wanna say that adds up more than 100%? What? Do I look like Albert Einstein? Shut up, chat, and stop laughing, Selen. It's November 30th, 10:16 p.m. here, and I'm gonna show you guys my special ability, predicting the future. In less than a minute, there's gonna be a $100 super chat donation with a message of "Happy birthday, Selen, Restia best girl" that will appear in chat. It works every time. Thank me later, Selen. Well, what I really want to say is, thank you, Selen, for always bringing laughter and joy to all of us. I really am impressed by the amount of happiness you have been able to deliver. Hope you and all of chat have a wonderful birthday. May all of your wishes come true. And lastly but not least, please remember, if something goes wrong, it's always RBR's fault.
Oh my god, Restia. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, how does he do it? How does he do it, guys? How? He's a psychic. Oh my god, truly Selen was the best girl. It worked. Oh my god, is that all it takes? You just gotta be a fake cat girl and then you can predict the future? Oh my god, this changes everything. What a superpower. He is a prophet. He truly is. Holy shit. My mind has blown.